Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have a brand new box to my channel called Yumble. To see what it is and to see what I got, stay tuned. Now before I open it, first off I would like to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos. That is what I do and I would love for you to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, I found out about this box by watching another unboxing channel, Arkansas Gals. You guys probably know her very well. She's very popular on YouTube. I will leave a link down below to her video if you would like to check it out. But in her video, she is able to give anybody who wants a free box. So all I had to do was reach out to her and she sent me the link. And all I had to do was pay $5.99 to receive the first box. So I'm going to refer anybody, if you would like to get a free box, definitely go check her channel out. And it will be down in the description box below. But you may be asking, what is Yumble? Okay, here is the lowdown on Yumble. Yumble is a weekly subscription service that delivers fully prepared, balanced, and delicious kids' meals right to the doors of busy parents. Meals are intended for ages 12 months to 12 years, but they find the sweet spot to be right around 3 to 8 years old. But we have customers of all age. And what do the meals plans look like and how much do they cost? They have 3 different meal plans, 6, 8, and 12 meals per week, and each meal ranges from $5.99 to $7.99 a meal, free shipping. Now that's basically it. Like I said, if you're interested, I only paid $5.99 for the first box. I thought it would be fun to try this out. No, I don't have any kids, but one day I'm going to have some grandkids, and this might be something I would be interested in keeping around the house. But I also wanted to share it with you too, because maybe there's some busy moms out there who could take advantage of this service. Okay, so when I received this box last night, first off, it was late last night. The UPS come, it was close to 6 o'clock. I was done. I was not going to record a video. So what I had to do was go ahead and open it and put it all away last night. But I'm going to re-unbox it in front of you. Okay, so like I said, here's how it basically looked when I opened it. Over here is all the meals in here, and it tells you the use by date. All these meals are fresh, never frozen, and they are good in your refrigerator for 7 days. And here's a little brochure that came in here that told you all the basic information about Yumble. And they've included this, but they didn't tell me what this is. Okay, I got a theory, and please, I want to know down in the comment section. What I think this is the thing to open, like, you know, jar lids. Is that what this is? Or is this something for the microwave or something you put on top of your food? I don't know. My guess is it's a jar opener. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Here was something else they have really cute. It's called Table Topics, and it's little cards that you can place. I think it's a wonderful idea when you have young kids. And it has things you guys can talk about while you're having your Yumble dinner. So I thought that was really cute. This unfortunately did get a little damp because the ice pack melted, but they were just cute little stickers. I'm sure any child would have fun playing with those. Okay, so now this is the way it looked when it came, and you pulled this open. Now there was an ice pack on top of this already. But I didn't put the ice pack back in here to do the re-unboxing. So I'm just going to show you the meals. I had 6 meals. I was able to pick the meals that I wanted shipped to my house too. So that was fun. So here's the first one, and this is a baked taco pocket. And on the back of each one is the nutrition ingredients and also how long to microwave. Everything's microwavable. And these are cheesy ground beef empanadas, brown rice, and corn. And this is the way it looked. So that looks lovely and yummy. And then we have snack poppers. And what this sounds really good and healthy. This is rolled oat, flax, coconut and sun butter snack balls. And this is the way they look. They just look like little meatballs. And then here was a breakfast one. It was a turkey, egg, and sausage. Turkey, sausage, and eggs with a cheese omelet. And that's the way that looks. And then the fourth meal out, I picked a garden veggie with quinoa. And this is a vegetarian chili and a quinoa rice blend. And that's what that looks like. And I think this is a very nice size for children. And these are mighty meatballs and veggie chili. And this is a vegetarian chili with a side of beef meatballs. So that looks really good. And then the last one out I picked was this Daisy Bolognese. And this is cheesy ravioli with a veggie ground beef. And that's the way that looks. So I got 6 delicious meals right here. And on the bottom, there was another ice pack. Now this is the ice pack that came with it. I just stuck it in the box so you guys could see. But it's already frozen back up solid. But this was nice and flat when it originally came because it was like very cold, but it wasn't frozen. But it was nicely chilled and ready to put right in the refrigerator. And they did give me tracking information for everything in here. So, like I said, if you guys are interested in trying this, go check out Arkansas Gal's video. And she has a link for you could get a box for $5.99 like I did. But I wanted to open it and share it with you guys. And maybe this is going to help some busy mom out there. I can see how a busy mom would want something like this. Okay, so if you guys are liking the videos, definitely hit the like button. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.